Hey guys, check this out. I know you always have that special someone or even a friend of yours that you would want to send a birthday shout out to. So instead of you to just create a picture which in graphics and wish him or her a happy birthday, you can actually create that type of video called beat sync videos to send that birthday shout out. Yes, you should have seen things like that on TikTok. But in this video, in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create your own beat sync birthday shout out videos to your friends and loved ones. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of watching a video on my channel, you're welcome. Right here we talk about smartphone productivity and profitability. So you might want to join the community of smartphone productive and profitable users by hitting the subscribe button down below and also turn on the bell icon so that you would always be notified when I release a fresh video. By the way, this is my welcome notes. And also, if you are a returning viewer, you are my MVP. And here is also my welcome notes to you. So whether you're returning or you're new, you know the culture, hit the like button down below so that the algorithm can show this video to more people. And of course, drop a comment, express how you feel about this new tutorial or this new skill you're about to learn on this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so when you've gotten all the pictures of your friend, alright, so that's the time for you to jump on BeatSync. Alright, so I'm going to open BeatSync right now. Okay, so now this is BeatSync. Once you open it, you're going to come to this home page. You should be looking at it right now. Okay, then you're going to tap on this plus sign and drag it over to the image aspect. Okay, the other side is for videos, all right, but this other side is for images. Okay, so I'm just going to look for an image to use. So let's assume that I want to use this image. So it's always nice if you go for a set of images that the person is wearing the same clothes. Okay, if you go for images that has different pictures, it may not really look as good as it will look if the person is wearing the same clothes. All right, so I'm going to tap on next up here and you can see the BeatSync is all done. Okay, the BeatSync is done. All right, so now under here, all right, under here are different sound effects that you can use. All right, so this is Western gunfight. All right, I can go for this. So the beat sync technique is actually the syncing of the movement or transition of that image with the sound. All right, so like I said, this is an automated beat sync approach. All right, beat sync editing. Okay, if you want to edit beat sync from the manual, it takes a whole lot of energy. All right, it takes a whole lot of expertise to get it done. All right, but this app makes the beat sync very easy for you. All right, so let's still go ahead. So you can see this one. You can see this particular one. So you can just select from any of the image, any of the effect that you want. All right, this is max drive. So you can select from any one at all. All right, so this is for horror party, for Halloween party, right? So you can get this also. When you tap on the plus sign, this is actually where you can also add your own sound to your beat sync. So let me try to add a sound. This is like my first time of trying to do this. I always use the one that they have on. So I always try to use the one that they have. So I'm just going to try to ensure I use a sound that, okay, let me try this. Let's try this one. So I'm going to select and see how it goes. So it says extracting beat data from selected music to apply video effects from. All right, so you can see that this is really awesome, right? So it wants to extract it. So this is like the AI of the application is trying to create the beat sync for you. That is, extract the beat and then merge the music and apply some video effects. So you can see this is what we have now. So this is what it gave us. This is what it gave us. So let's try this other one. So with this I can actually edit my video, okay, with this. All right, so let us close this up and use the one that they gave us. Right, let's use their own effect. So over here is where you can change the aspect ratio of the video. So you can see the square 1x1, you can see the 9x9, 9 by 16, so you can see the 16 by 9. Okay, so I think we can just make it to maintain 1x 9 by 16. All right, so that's what this button is for. All right, so let's go back and still use the image, that is the ones already made by Kinemaster, all right, or made by BeatSync. All right, so that's this ones. Okay, so now if you want to now move from this BeatSync into Kinemaster, so let's get into Kinemaster and you see how the BeatSync looks like. That is all the things that they did to make this BeatSync. Remember I said that this BeatSync is an application done by the same developers of Kinemaster, right? So I'm going to tap on this button over here, all right, to get into Kinemaster. So it says the project will be opened in Kinemaster. Please finish your work if you are using Kinemaster. So let's assume that I'm done. So now we are heading on to Kinemaster. Taking us over to Kinemaster, all right. So we are going to now check out. So you can see it is asking that I download the BeatSync effect that was used. So I'm downloading it right now. I'm downloading it right now so that we can see the work that was put in by the AI to generate that BeatSync for us. By now, if you're a follower of my channel, you should know that I always love to find AI apps like this. Okay, so you can see the work that was done here. So you can see all of this part where there was what's it called now, where there was transition and how it also blended with the sound below. All right, you can see how it was done. So I can actually do this from the scratch if I want to do it, okay, but this other app Pro just makes it quite easier for you. So let's try to play it and see how it goes. So you can see that big beat that happened right there, okay, and also the beats below that followed suit. All right, and that is how you make your own BeatSync videos for birthday shout out or birthday video shout out to your friends and your family.
Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you'll always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.